Let me show you the purpose of using this daemon is equal to true. I will demonstrate that project I shared in the group channel. So here is the code. Let's see. You can see the output. And as I close, here this writes that finished in 5.3 seconds. Okay. And if I comment out this and run this thread, which do not contain daemon is equal to true. Okay. Let's see what will be the result. Oh, sorry. Where it is, where did it go, where did it go? File name of third example, third example. Okay. So see, the program is out, program is running, and as I close this throws an error. Okay, because our program was closed, but the thread was running, and it was running and went to this line, where it was that written that the label, and we update the text after this label. But when it goes to update, it was found that this label doesn't exist because I have closed the app, so it throws an error. Okay, but in this case, here as I close this app, it doesn't throw any error because if we mention daemon equal to true, if we mention daemon equal to true, the this thread will automatically get closed as the main process gets destroyed. Main process is this app, and the updation of this time is our thread. Okay, as we close this main process, the thread also gets closed. And if we run this, and if we close the app, our main app is closed, main process is closed, but thread is still running in the background and it throws an error because there is no level of text. And you can see if because of the error this thread has been closed. Here is right. As you can see here it has finished in 3.7 seconds. Okay, that is all.